Have you ever wondered how a refrigerator keeps your food fresh for days or even weeks? How does milk stay cold, vegetables remain crisp, and meat stay frozen? The secret behind it is more fascinating than you think. In this video, we'll uncover the amazing technology that turns this simple appliance into an essential part of our daily lives. Let's dive in. To understand how refrigerators keep food fresh, we first need to know why food spoils. Bacteria and fungi are the main culprits. These microorganisms multiply rapidly in warm temperatures, causing food to rot and produce unpleasant odors. Bacteria thrive in moist and warm environments. Between 4 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius, their activity increases dramatically. However, lowering the temperature below 4 degrees Celsius significantly slows down their growth, extending the shelf life of food. Spoilage-causing bacteria include E. coli and Salmonella, which can lead to food poisoning. Now, how does a refrigerator slow down spoilage? The magic lies in a sophisticated cooling cycle that regulates temperature. Let's explore the core components of a refrigerator and how they work together to preserve food. Compressor. It starts by compressing refrigerant gas, raising its temperature and pressure. The hot gas moves to the condenser at the back of the refrigerator. Condenser. It cools the compressed gas as it passes through metal coils. The gas turns into a liquid as heat dissipates into the surrounding air. Evaporator located inside the refrigerator, it absorbs heat from the food and air. The liquid refrigerant turns back into gas, lowering the internal temperature. This cycle repeats continuously, keeping the refrigerator cold and ensuring your food stays safe at the right temperature. Cooling alone isn't enough. Modern refrigerators incorporate additional technologies to enhance food preservation and keep it fresh longer. Humidity control drawers. Special vegetable and fruit drawers come with humidity adjustment. High humidity keeps leafy greens crisp, while low humidity prevents fruits from spoiling quickly. Dedicated compartments for different temperatures. The freezer operates below -18 degrees Celsius to freeze food and halt bacterial growth. The refrigerator compartment maintains temperatures between 1 degree and 4 degrees Celsius to slow bacterial activity. Odor control with carbon filters. Some advanced fridges have air filters to purify the internal air, preventing odor transfer between foods. To keep your food fresher for longer, follow these simple tips to optimize your refrigerator's performance. Don't overload the fridge. Leave enough space for air circulation to ensure even cooling. Organize food by usage priority. Place items you need to use soon at the front. Cover exposed foods. Use lids or containers to prevent moisture loss and odor transfer. Now that you know how refrigerators work in detail, you can appreciate this incredible innovation that enhances our lives. The next time you grab a cold drink or open the veggie drawer, remember that you're using a marvel of science and engineering that keeps your food and health protected. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting educational content.